Welcome to the Project Management, Planning and Control Series, Lecture 3. In this lecture, we'll learn about Project Manager, Project Charter, and Project Office. Let's start. Who is Project Manager? You can define Project Manager as the individual who has the responsibility, authority, and accountability assigned to him or her to achieve safely the project objectives within agreed time, cost, and performance quality criteria. Apart from the conventional responsibilities for time, cost, and performance quality, the project manager must ensure that all the safety requirements and safety procedures are complied with. For this reason, the word safety has been inserted into the project management triangle to reflect the importance of ensuring the many important health and safety requirements are met. Serious accidents do not only have personal tragic consequences, but can destroy a project or indeed a business overnight. Lack of attention to safety is just bad business, as any airline, bus, or railroad company can confirm. Since it's often hard to sum up a project manager's role in just a few words, some organizations create a project manager's charter. This document clearly outlines the responsibilities and authority limits of the project manager. It helps the project manager understand exactly what they're accountable for. And when this charter is included in the project management plan, it ensures that all stakeholders are on the same page about the project manager's role in the project. The sample of project charter shown in figure. The project manager's charter is project-specific and will have to be amended for every manager and type, size, or complexity of project. In large projects, a project manager often needs support, either from one or more assistant project managers, with one possibly acting as a deputy, or from a specially established project office. This office plays a key role by handling configuration management, distributing project updates and instructions, and gathering or following up on important information the project manager needs, whether regularly or occasionally. Such an office also helps streamline the integration of all project systems and takes on essential tasks like preparing schedules, progress and quality reports, cost analysis, and much more, freeing up the project manager to focus on higher-level responsibilities. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lecture helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on project management, planning, and control. See you in the next video.